Going on, everybody? 2021 4th of July firework collection. I'm gonna go through a little bit of what I have. Some of the stuff is left over from last year, like these rockets here, these candles here, mission control, some of the smaller fountains. This guy right here, left over from last year. These two assortments here with the minis and the neon canisters. But what's new $1,000 royal crackers, junkyard dogs. I'll show you the price. Actually got that half off. Has some nice lace effects in it. Graffiti. Party time. I think they actually do this one for free. A spinning fountain. Called Centrifuge. Got some orange labels. I rewrapped there. No. $100-shot battery. Brown label from last year. Koi pond, nice little fountain. Chill out by Wanda. Fireworks. This 500 gram right here, if I remember correctly, it whistles as it shoots up. I want to say that was 35, if I remember correctly. Wacky Tube Man 33-shot pancake. Half off. Man Eater shells. This big fan cake right here by Red Lantern. I've never shot this one off. I don't know what that does. I'll be excited to see what that does. 45 bucks basically. This Kodo collection, I've shot a little bit of it off, but if you haven't shot this off, it's 6-inch double breaks and 5-inch break shells. Very nice shells, if you can get those canister shells. I also made a new rack this year. Hold on, let me show you guys that. So this is my fan mortar rack design. Adjustable. Pull the pins on either side and you'll be able to adjust the angle on it. And I made it where it's removable, so if I wanted to, I could just take those outside and have them shoot vertically. Fit in just like that. All of them are adjustable, as you can see. Working on making my Poor Man 25-shot milk crate rack. Don't have enough fiberglass tubes just yet. With time, I'll get enough. I got another 4 in the house. But yep, took me about 2 days to build this, on and off working with it. Alright, see you guys when I start shooting.